Greetings to all the students. In our last video tutorial, we learned how to draw various shapes in MS Paint. In this video tutorial, I am going to teach you how to draw a smiley using MS Paint and how to fill color into it. So in this video tutorial, we are going to use some shapes from the shapes group. So here are the different shapes that are available. Firstly, I will take the oval shape. To select the oval shape, I will take my pointer over it and then I will do a left click. Once I do the left click, the oval will get selected and a square box will appear onto it. Now I will take my cursor to the drawing area. Once I take my pointer to the drawing area, I will do a left click. Now, when you do the left click, you have to remember one thing, that after doing the click, you don't have to release the button immediately. You have to hold it. So, do a click and hold the left button and then move your mouse. You can move it in any direction. You can make the oval bigger, you can make it smaller. So this is the ideal size for which I want the smiley. So this is the face of the smiley that we have drawn. Now I want to draw two eyes inside it, but until and unless there is this square line above this circle, we cannot draw anything inside it. If I try to draw something, I will not be able to draw it and I will just be able to move the circle from one place to another place. So if you want to draw something inside the circle, after drawing the circle or after drawing the oval quickly, just do a click outside the circle. So now those square lines, dotted lines are gone. Now we can draw two eyes inside it. So using the same oval shape, I will draw two lines over here. This one and this one. Now, again, you will be able to see a dotted rectangle with the oval. So, till the dotted rectangle is there, you can move this oval from one place to another place. For how much time will this dotted rectangle be there? It would be there until and unless you click outside the oval. You can click inside the oval, but you cannot click outside. Once you click outside the oval, the dotted line would be gone like this. Now, using the oval shape only, we will draw one more oval like this. So these are the two eyes and this is the nose. So our first smiley is done. Now we will draw a second smiley. So again we will draw a big oval. This is the face. Now we want to draw two eyes inside it. So this time I am going to take the rectangle shape. This is the rectangle shape and I am going to select it by doing a left click. So now the rectangle shape is selected. As you can see, a square box is appeared on the rectangle shape. Now I will take my pointer on the drawing area and here I am going to draw two eyes like this. And now to draw the nose, I will take the triangle shape and from here I will draw it. Now once I draw it, until and unless I make a click outside the triangle, I can move the triangle like this. So I will place it properly at the middle of two eyes, and now when I do a click outside the triangle, then I will not be able to move it. Now if I try to move it, I will get another triangle inside it. So this is done. Now we will fill color in both of these smileys. To fill color in the smileys, we will take this tool which is called fill with color tool. You just have to take your pointer over it and click it and it will get selected. Once any shape or any tool is selected, you will get to see a box over it. So this is the shape that is selected. It is called fill with color. So once we select this particular tool, you will be able to select the particular color that you want to fill into the shapes. So for the face of the smiley, I have selected yellow color. So filling yellow color into both of them, filling black color in the eyes and red color in the nose. So our smiley is ready. We will learn about some other shapes and other things in our next tutorial. Thank you so much.